guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Auntie Tay. If you guys are new here, that's who I am, and if you're not, welcome back. Today we are going to be doing the Lilo and Scrump. No, this is Stitch and Scrump. We're going to be doing the Lilo and Stitch ears, but it has Stitch's face and Scrump's face. These ears are so cute. So pop on over to the Mickey Ear Factory. If you're a member, you have access to all of the Mickey ears I'm debuting this summer, and they're in layers and they're SVGs and they're super easy to use with your cut machines. So check them out. If you are a Mickey ear maker and you just love making Mickey ears, or you want to know how to make Mickey ears, check out the description because I have a list of all the videos you'll need to be a Mickey ear master, including the perfect bow, the perfect ears, and then from there in this tutorial you will see how to apply the pieces that you need for these ears. So let's get going. Alrighty guys, Lilo and Stitch, or Stitch and Scrump, are so cute, and I'm obsessed with this SVG file because I just love Scrump. I think Scrump is the cutest thing on earth. Stitch is super cute too. So when you put them together, it's just so cute. So Stitch is actually just 3 layers of vinyl or HTV, and I'm using a navy blue, a white, and a red. So all you have to do is cut 3 little layers out with your cutting machine, and then you've got Stitch's adorable face. Scrump has a little bit more layers to him. I'm not sure if Scrump is a boy or a girl, but I think it's a she. She's a she, I'm guessing. So I'm going to just put 2 layers on at a time if I can, and no plastic overlaps or goes underneath the HTV, like the eye and the mouth. And then I'm going to heat that up and put the other 2 layers on, which is the little gold piece and the red stitches for the lips. So then I'm just going to cut out a little yellow hair tie and put this in the ears when I sew them. If you want to know how to make Mickey ears, check out the Mickey ear video in the description so you can learn this step a little bit better. So then we flip it right side out. Actually, I'm going to cut around the outside, and then I'm going to flip it right side out so that the hair sticks out, so we have a really cute place to put our bow. There's also a part of the SVG that you'll see right here that is also for that piece of felt. You're going to want to do that on the yellow felt before you do that. And then I also just hand cut this out of the pink felt that I ironed it onto. So I'm just gonna use some hot glue and dab that right on the hair, and then put this on, and then I'll continue to make my Mickey ears just like I do. So check out that video in the description.
You're pushing me away.